Upholding media, Minister Shyam Kumar encourages media fraternity to expose and rectify misconducts of ministers, MLAs and bureaucrats for bringing good governance. Wooing the voters, political parties continue electoral campaigning in full swing to woo voters for the upcoming parliamentary election. And words of encouragement, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam encourages every widow to be braver than soldiers in nurturing their children despite adversity. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the latest updates. First up, Forest and Environment Minister Thongnaujam Shyam Kumar has encouraged media fraternity to expose and rectify the misconducts of ministers, MLAs and bureaucrats to bring about good governance. He was speaking in the 44th Foundation Day celebration of Manipur Press Club organized by All Manipur Working Journalist Union AMJU at Manipur Press Club in Major Khul today. He also stressed the need to maintain healthy ties among government, public and media. Minister Shyam Kumar maintained that the media plays a significant role in bringing peace and development. He said that media points out mistakes of ministers and fastens the pace of executing various welfare activities, mentioning that government alone cannot keep track of inefficient and insincere government employees posted in far-flung areas of the state. Minister Shyam Kumar also appreciated the media fraternity of the state for covering of issues in the remote areas and encouraged them to continue the same. The Forest Minister assured to extend all possible helps to journalists in times of medical emergencies. AMJU President Brajendra Ningomba, Vice President of Editors Guild Manipur Hemant Kumar Ningomba, DIPR Director Haishnam Balkrishna, former President of ICHAM Nongthombam Rajendra, former executive members of AMJU and many senior journalists attended the event. Floral tributes were paid at the portraits of late journalists and their surviving family members were felicitated on the occasion.
Manipur ki corner singda Manipur ki laiba sarkar ki losang singda Manipur laiba school singda secondary singda college singda ana layang sang singda karam karma jaga da sarkar na pibe scheme yam si implement phajana tawbage tawdabage habda phajana ko ki live thabi raga tawraga di Manipur singa sagi mathok samana tawkane masidi akoina uba khradang mathok tawri udaba kaya amadi official ka dana staff ka dana sarkar bu ingthina thabak tawraiba masi miyam sarkar na punamak ui habsu yaro kaya ugada muna habda media singa urakanda koi tawada mani Manipur jati bu lebasi thabak se changi buka singa dawo amu yade doctor su waza su engineer su media na kadon tawgani akoina koi politicians we cannot control on the government employees in the public
today. The meeting discussed on measures for the success of the party's aspiring candidate for the upcoming parliament election from Inner Manipur constituency, Dr. Moirangthem Nara. Speaking in the meet, Secretary of CPI Manipur State Unit, L. Satan Kumar, asserted that people do not want Narendra Modi-led government in India anymore. He said people have lost faith in the BJP-led government. The State Secretary of CPI said the party fielded Dr. M. Nara to contribute in bringing about a government led by left and secular party. Speaking in the event, Dr. M. Nara stressed the need to speak up boldly about various issues facing the people of Manipur in the parliament.
BJP nataba mahut sinba sarkar ama porak na bagdamakta ekhoi Communist Party amadi atai left amadi secular dol singa puna satminadana kanana candidate oraga kanana mireb oraga ekhoi leipa asigi heni aifo porakadage amadi soidana mai pakpa ngamgadage haibadugi matang da ekhoi yam kupna khanare
Manipur gi issue kaya gi mathakta pukhatpa madugi daita ma mayam pibiragadi maduda ai handak kisimadi ai punsina su yaraktabani chahi na matang henjilla abadi makha election panglep telep kone habisi su yaroi I think perhaps this is a right time prajana nungsibibagi amasung aina tawjaba ngamba thabak kharagi tawgena khanba maduda full determination leba matamdu handakisi oyena law.
Congress MLA of Patsoi constituency, A.K. Mirabai, today carried out a door-to-door election campaign which was launched by INC President Rahul Gandhi in various places of the constituency. Congress workers led by MLA Mirabai visited many households and campaigned for the Congress party. Aspiring BJP candidate of Outer Manipur constituency for the upcoming Lok Sabha election, former MP Kim Gangte has stressed the need for bringing equal development of both the hills and valley regions of the state. She was speaking in a public meet held in relation with the upcoming election at Songjang village in Saikul constituency today. The former MP asserted that there is no use of politics if it cannot bring development. She also urged everyone to choose the right candidate capable of giving equal treatment to both the hills and the valley inhabitants. The aspiring candidate recalled that people could not elect the right candidates in the past due to the influence of money power, muscle power and gun culture in the state, which ultimately hampered the development of the state. Kim Gangte mentioned that poppy cultivators are helpless due to lack of alternate arrangement after their illegal cultivations were destroyed. She assured that the relevant ministry has been already aspires for initiating stevia cultivation for the displaced farmers at the earliest. She further disclosed plans for widespread cultivation of anti-cancer plant, source of Graviola in hilly areas of the state in the near future with full support of Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren and Health Minister Jayanta Kumar. Highlighting the contribution of women, Kim called on women to take active roles in political scenario. Chief of Songjang village, Jilton Maldun, and representatives of nearby villages also attended the meeting.
Elect the one who will work for you. Elect the one who will sacrifice his life or her life. The problem in Manipur is that candidates come with money in their hands and try to buy the votes. This is where we failed. And muscle power, gun power, and money power play that role. That is the reason why we are not able to bring a change in Manipur. The voters would exercise their rights and cast their votes for the right candidate who will work for them, who will work for Manipur, who will work for the hill and the valley.
Northeast India Development Party (NEIDP) held a one-day political convention on the theme Together for Change at Tera Sapam Leirak today. Speaking in the event, President of NEIDP Central Working Committee, Narembam Samarjit has lamented that people of the state are treated as second-class citizens of the country. He asks whether various acts imposed in Manipur are also imposed in other mainland states of India. Samarjit urged everyone to unite and make democracy meaningful. He also stressed the need to be sincere in exercising one's franchise. Samarjit said people are deprived of their rights not because of the ruling or the opposition party, but because they have failed to choose the right representatives when they given the chance. Samarjit also encouraged one to be innovative and creative. NEIDP calendar 2019 was also released on the occasion.
Judiciary, executive, legislature, makoi ahum se function story basa. Masi check and balance Manipur ki oina kanana tauri. Who is taking the responsibility for check and balance? Sigi check and balance should be transparent to the public, to all the citizens. Sigi home se balance thambang ngamdubune. Adu ki party dubune akoi solve kadabasa. NIDP nangam jagadi akoi kashu sarkar paning de. Tawudabo angam bado akoi ngai basa. Sahi hupun bapun changna ngai abune. Adu sigi balance karamba party mana karamba leader mana ngasigi sigi balance tawang ngamgrege. Sigi balance yaw the kamai to democratic country ni hai dino kuisa. Takari phangmanate subject to the correction. Crore listing honga chater ka humda tare. Masi 7-pay commission se pitok pataragade masi ki starting ase 2018-19 ki oine satkane. Government ta ayak na appeal tawjare. Karigumba government na masi ki source ase phangnana bagi damakta awab leragade Why not? Indeed, we can sacrifice for you.
MLA Thanga Kam PDA Chairman T. Ravindra has urged everyone not to disintegrate families and relatives on account of election. He was speaking at the distribution of free gas connection under Ujwala scheme to 45 beneficiaries for the first phase in Thanga constituency today. The event was organized by Loktak Indian Gram Bitrak at Thanga Chinglak Bazaar. MLA Ravindra lamented that favoritism practiced by some in the constituency has hindered in executing various welfare schemes. Social worker Ngangbam Robert distributed free gas connection under Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana to 125 AAY and priority card holders of Singjamai constituency today. Elders and ward members from various parts of the constituency attended the event held at Singjamai Thongam Laikai. Speaking in the event, social worker Robert said he took the initiative to distribute the gas connection as many people are deprived of various welfare schemes due to lack of proper guidance.
Haiti anova January 1 dagi so moina scheme se sendokraga priority card paiba singda yoina connection pine haina government law program nei.
Senior Citizens for Society Manipur Moirang chapter took various resolutions, including to make Moirang subdivision a full-fledged revenue district. The resolutions were taken during the association's annual meeting today. New executive members of the association were also inducted on the occasion. Speaking in the meet, MLA Moirang P. Sarachandra stressed the need to imbibe the advices and suggestions of senior citizens in solving various issues of the state. All Manipur Students Union (AMSU) has extended solidarity to the Northeast State's general strike called on January 8 by Northeast Students Organization NESO against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. Speaking to media in this regard at AMSU office, DM College campus today, Coordination and Networking Secretary of AMSU, Laishram Athauba said, NESO has been agitating against passing of the bill since last year, and despite the same, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced to pass the bill at the earliest while speaking in a public meeting held in connection with the upcoming Lok Sabha election on January 4th at Silchar. He said, NESO has called for the general strike against the indifference of the Prime Minister on January 8 from 5 a.m. till 4 p.m. He appealed to extend support for the strike.
JBC Sina, Hogi Megalea Amadi Silzer Kak, Hogi report lower Matunda, Hogi Lagliba, Tang Taret, Asida, Hogi Parliamentar Lankalani, Habagi, Pau Pangi, Adu Hariba, JBC Lankaliba report asi, Akoi Mapung Pade, Maram Sade, Aduna report Masing Sude, Masi, Sanaviaro, Hariba, Adum Lova, Hogi JBC report ase. Parliamentar Kanaviaro, Masi Satnaviaro, and Msugi, Makedigi, Akanmonda, Kandem Tawi, Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, Asigi, Yaning the Kungsang Manungsana, Hogi Lagliba, Janari Tang Nipanasi, Nordista, Hogi Nordist Student Organization, Jenen Strike, Lautoki Winana, Hogi Ramdam Manipur Sidasu, Hogi All Manipur Student M Sunasu, Hoi Hiriba Jenen Strike, Sanchinova, Hogi Sam Sapuna Lojare.
6 youths confessed to have vandalized some households of Hainong Makong and Jingdong Laikai on January 1st, acting as cadres of proscribed UKLF. The miscreant confessed that they are students and were drunk on the day. Apunba Iraibaki Mahiroi Simpan Lob aims in a press release urged the government to disclose the report of the inquiry committee in relation to wrong mark tabulation of HSLC examination 2018 conducted by BOSM. AIMS stated that the issue cannot be resolved by mere ousting of the secretary and controller of BOSM. The press release further appealed to keep BOSIM as an autonomous body and not to involve politics while recruiting members of the board. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren inspecting the ongoing works at Maharaja Gambhir Singh Samadhi in Langthabal. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Chief Minister Nongthomam Biren assessed the work progress of the ongoing construction of the statues of Maidingu Narasingh and Sana Hirachandra at the Samadhi complex of Maharaja Gambhir Singh at Langthabal in Imphal West District today. The two statues will be unveiled by the Chief Minister at the 185th death anniversary observation of Maharaja Gambhir Singh on January 9. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has encouraged every widow to be braver than soldiers in nurturing their children in the best possible manner despite adversity. The minister was speaking while distributing educational financial assistance for the 5th time to widows in Langthabal constituency today. Langthabal Kendra Widows Welfare Association organized the event at Lilong Jajing Mairengkhong Community Hall. Minister Karam Sham also said, roles of politicians were once constructed as related only to infrastructural development, but now the focus has diverted towards more on addressing public concerns, uplifting of the destitute, and in bringing equal development. Minister Karam Sham asserted that the educational financial assistance extended to widows in the constituency since 2015 has nothing to do with politics, but a genuine desire to help those in need. 511 widows of the constituency were provided educational assistance for their children on the occasion.
Migi mama mapa ani sang honabada adi waraba matam sida aigi ima khaktana aigi namukta lepani haibagi wakalonda adi fil tawraba aduga aigi ima wahan bayati haibagi wakalondo phahun bangam taragadi adum masado nomudi matik saba masama sungsoi soidana adi oigane normal life ta lairiba akoi essential sina migumna adi pura wakal se hidohara kaino laibagi mathau dadi mi su kwa sai na isu saba mi su langba yawe na ina langba gi mathau tade fully concentrate tawraga aigi sa mi ohenda ba yadi haibagi damta lan nama thengna badu da aina pukning gi wakal gi aduga thamoi gi oiba mateng pangge haibagi damta sigi scheme che lokhat pani yamna senpham di apik por ga su angang samnga ga tarama thoida aina piriba mateng se achouba senpham ama akoi dagi di oirini adugi matakta sigi arrange tawjari sichu maruina uidong haktana tawjabani.
Director of College Development Council, Manipur University, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar has inaugurated Women's Hostel of Manipur College constructed under UGC today. Principal of Manipur College, Dr. R.K. Radhakishore, and President of MCTA, Manipur College, N.G. Manaranjan, attended the event. Renowned Shumang Lila artist Hiramoti was hospitalized at Raj Medicity yesterday. The artist reportedly consumed a harmful spirit-like liquid instead of water while enacting a scene during a Sumang Lila performance at Singjamai Thokjom Laikai last night. Speaking to Impact News at Raj Medicity, eminent senior artist of Iramdam Manipur Artists Association, Langthabal, Robindro appealed not to spread rumors regarding the incident on social media. He said Hiramoti is safe and is in good health now. However, doctor has advised him bed rest. Robindro appealed to those who have pre-booked shows with the association for cooperation and support.
Makhatana Yari Poktalila, Hanagadobu Laban. Aduzo som the Gilak, the Bayaro and a Tingle Paduda, the som the sea crimes, imito es my mind or the moon is Tazabangamdre. Artisingi, accident, Yungi, Anai, Yorpamatam, the Prajasin, Yam, Tamoy can be with him, Masio, Yam, Nunga, the Bazi, Zatana, Hydopadu, Shidagi Poto, Taron of Hidena, Magi hospitalized the Wagi Potozi. Harakan do the Mayam Yabi Galilado, Hidoi. Amuksu, Poto, Namaga. पुबीगिबा मतमदा मोइना मु लाना लाना पाउ संदोपिबजी खुदकते हेक्ता मा सिरे का कायना फेसबुक पोस्ट दा लाना पाउ संदोपिबा मियामदा मिपाई हनबा माबु नुंसीजबा कयाग मफमदा याम थमोइ सोई ai nakta leisi madum gyan targa kaisu tawunate ngarang lakpasu normal adum lai kaisumbo lila makhata na thaura matungda lila makhata na sanarami.
Maitan Araba, a Manipuri feature film directed by youngest director of Manipur, Lukanath Khetrimayum, under the banner of Rajkumari Kamalasana Films (RKKF), was released at Manipur State Film Development Society Auditorium today. Filmmaker Padma Shri Aribam Sham Sharma released a film depicting the relationship between a father and a son. Master Brahmachari Mayum Dishiraj, Abhi Kundrakpam and Abhinav Ilangbam are in the lead roles of the film. Speaking in the releasing event, Aribam Sham Sharma expressed discontentment at the lack of proper film training center in the state. He also expressed disappointment that the Lone Film Institute of the state does not function efficiently. Aribam Sham Sharma strongly condemned holding of marriage ceremonies or other private functions at MSFDS auditorium, which was constructed for holding only film-related events. Floral tributes were paid at the portrait of late Rajkumari Kamalasana in the event. Artists and crew of the films were also felicitated on the occasion. Leaders of Film Forum Manipur, film artists and film enthusiasts attended the event.
Akoi film gidi karimam telite yung culture department su akoi pension phambam lekte karimba scholarship phambam lekte karim telite me film ji yamna tonna mama tombi macha dongna leibani masi pukhatang hande yamna wai mi adu hujikte akoi matam hele lukalandana sida ulpadigi phamjali bi ijat se karino di MSFDC holder igi han film utki abse masigi ijat chine ko intana jabadi film amtang ulpa phambada punsigi popai mahi alena khanjaba adumba mafam yamna cinema hall gi dile drama gi chule cinema gi chule isei chule adumba Manipur gi amakhakta ngai ba hol se yarabadi aina ngasi April tawjari sini film gi damta thambiu film release tawdo kan phajana thambiu private parties ki private ki mayam gi chak chana pham mayam gi nungai pham madum oyen birabadi akoi yamangi.
Senior journalist of Pognafam Delhi, Thongam Premchand, and video journalist of ISTV, Dr. Nomainthem Reena, were selected for Green Foundation Media Fellowship Program 2019. The two journalists selected for the 5-month Green Foundation Media Fellowship 2019 from January to May on the theme Organic Farming for Sustainable Agriculture in Manipur will each get a stipend of 5,000 rupees per month for research works. National Small Industries Corporation Limited and Group Center CRPF Langjing jointly organized a one-day vendor development program cum buyer-seller meet at CRPF campus Langjing today. Around 100 vendors from across the state took part in the meet. One-day health awareness program and a mock drill against calamities were held at Malom Tulihal today. Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District Branch and Manipur Fire Service jointly organized the event sponsored by social activist of Nauria Pakhanglakpa constituency, Dr. S. Manauton. Speaking in the event, Sub-Officer of Fire Service, Imphal West, Surchander stressed on how to extinguish fire during outbreak of wildfires. Speaking to media, Dr. S. Manauton said, the awareness program was held to equip people against calamities in view of recent frequent outbreak of fires in the constituency.
Akoigi Nauria Pakhanglakpa gi oina su handaksi akoigi laikan na bungamdana laigidaba mi kharagi thokdok thokre aduga ngarang nahan ta su yamna irai laiba mairik amadagi hawrga thokna chawba majaw ma hawdana lupa karor gi mathakta malchang khoigi mangba khoigi yumai chakpa gi thodok yawkhre aduna mayam sidagi kannanaba khoigi praja jingsida sigumba maihau langpok sima tholpa taragadi natraga isingda taba pukhalakpada kamaina kangedage natraga ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯊꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯗꯁꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯊꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯁꯦꯠ ꯄꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯊꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯜꯍꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯂꯣꯝꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯕ.
Now the sports news. The second YGC Trophy Day and Night Under 14 A-Side Soccer Tournament 2019 organized by Youth Guidance Club Kongba Khetri Lekai kicked off at YGC Ground Kongba Khetri Lekai in Imphal East today. Jila Parishad of Uchekon Nongchup Gram Panchayat Seram Nekin opened the tournament, participated by altogether 16 teams. YGC B and Pauna Memorial Club PMC were drilled nil in the first match of the tournament today. Subsequent matches will be played tomorrow. A one-day workshop on jazz and Zumba was held at Chief Feet 7 Clan Nagamapal Phagoi Sangbam Lekai today. Jazz and Zumba experts Sapam Bisha Ranjan, Asakiran Konsam and Sintoy and stressed on the health benefits of practicing jazz and Zumba at the workshop. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Upholding media, Minister Shyam Kumar encourages media fraternity to expose and rectify misconducts of ministers, MLAs and bureaucrats for bringing good governance. Wooing the voters, political parties continue electoral campaigning in full swing to woo voters for the upcoming parliamentary election. And words of encouragement, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham encourages every widow to be braver than soldiers in nurturing their children despite adversity.